And now answer my questions, please. Do you like spicy food? Which is your favorite? How often do you write emails? Have you ever milked a cow? Do you ever wear a tie? For what occasion? Do you have an attic in your house? What is the predominant religion in your country? Did you like biology at school? What was your favorite subject? How would you describe June? What is the opposite cardinal direction to east? What seasons of the year do you know? And now, try to create sentences from following words. Dislike, heart, army, ownership, firm. And now write down the dictation and then read it out loud. My dad is an enthusiastic musician. He has several guitars at home, and I learned how to change strings. We opened a music store last year, and I get paid for this service. With this money, I realized my dream, which is related to my biology classes. It was a great opportunity for me to show off a little at school. Why not, after all? I worked pretty hard on it, didn't I? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.